sex for pleasure?
You sound like a tour guide. I did not know that. Actually, no, I did know that. I did. People.
Like, not a lot of chocolate. Not a lot. I want strawberry. No, strawberry. Whose money? Not mine. I don't know where to put it. We're all fine. Yeah, lead. I'm just fine.
I want to do another one, but like he's in front of That's close, yo. That's close. Do you feel accomplished?
I do. Walrus. What if I bought that hat?
I will love you more. I'm gonna have to get people who are like alone instead of like.
I know.
Yeah.
I get it.
I want a picture. Please. Can you show me with it?
It's a video right now, though.
No. Do it. Do it. Go there. Go. Yeah.
How was it?
No.
I can't.
Well, hopefully it's for both of them tonight.
6 Flags Discovery Kingdom. I like the rainbow colors.
Oh. How does it work? All the magnets.
Oh really? I thought it was like a map. High five to that one.
You. I'm washing myself.
No, I won't get you guys, I promise.
Okay. Three on my sleeve.
I promise.
Oh, look, there's some more. Y'all have really good stuff.
Roar.
We got here too.
Huh?
2 people in here.
Yeah. Yeah.
Look at those little onesies.
Yeah, go in there.
Look at this frog.
It's a python. What? Oh my gosh! Look at this ribbit!
I wonder if people actually wear shirts like that in public. Wait, never mind. I go to like
Grandmas do. Grandmas do.
So do some of the kids at our school. Okay. There's something on me. Jenny!
I did not do it, I swear.
You know what's really?
Oh darn. Oh my god, dude, these are... Never mind.
They're so big.
That's what I was gonna say. But you know, that would be wrong. What are you, birdie?
Oh, these are actually friendship necklaces. I don't know. I have this chippy drawn on. Good one.
It's still on. They're so oblivious. Oblivious. that sounds wrong. I'm just gonna stick it right in.